Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about how to fix no service SIM card on your iPhone. Now, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Now, before we do anything, you want to make sure that you are in an area with mobile network coverage. And if you are traveling internationally, your device should be set up to data roaming. Alright, now, if all those things are okay, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to try in the data roaming option. To do that, what you want to do is you first go to your settings, and once you go to your settings, you want to select cellular, or it might say mobile, and then you turn on your cellular data. You can toggle it, and once your cellular data is toggled on, you want to select cellular data options, and then you toggle on data roaming. And the next thing you can try is you go back to your main settings page, and you can toggle on airplane mode on. Give it a few seconds and then you turn it off again. So that should be another way to fix that error. And the next thing you can try is you go back to cellular options and then you select cellular data options and then you select voice and data. And here you want to select the highest tier you can. So if it was at 3G or 2G, you can select 4G. And then you will get a section like this at the bottom where it says VoLTE. It will basically allow you to make voice calls over LTE. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure it's toggled on. And next thing you can try is you go to your general page here at the bottom. And then once you get to general, you want to go all the way to the bottom where it says transfer or reset iPhone. And then you select reset. And here what you want to do is you want to reset network settings. Now you have to make sure you don't select anything else because it will mess with your system settings and all settings. So you want to make sure you select reset network settings, and then you will have to enter your passcode. And once you enter your passcode, you will get a prompt like this. It will basically say it will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, but only for network. So don't be afraid. And then you select reset network settings, and your phone will basically switch off and restart again with the network settings resetted. Now, if all those things don't work, then what you have to do is you have to make sure your software is up to date. And to check that, you go to the main settings page again, and then you go to general, and then you select software update here at the top. And then you want to make sure you update your software to the latest settings. And once you make sure you update your software and keep it up to date, it should fix the problem for you with the no SIM error. Now, I hope this helped you guys, and thank you so much for watching.